In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a QR code on Crypto.com. QR codes are those handy square barcodes you see everywhere, and they contain information that can be scanned by your phone to do everything from opening a website to downloading an app. Today, we're going step by step to show you exactly how to do that with the Crypto.com platform. Whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or a newcomer exploring the digital finance world, this guide will help you effectively use QR codes on Crypto.com with ease and precision, ensuring a seamless experience every time. To begin, you'll want to head over to Crypto.com's homepage. You can do this by visiting their website and making sure you're signed in. If you haven't been here before, Crypto.com is a fantastic platform offering a range of cryptocurrency services, and getting familiar with their homepage will allow you to access all the tools they offer more efficiently. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where there will be a button with 3 dots. This is a common feature on many websites where additional settings or options are embedded. Clicking these dots will open up a menu with further options to explore. Next, within the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Download App. Clicking here is crucial because this is where you're going to be able to scan the QR code to download the Crypto.com app onto your mobile device. Now, this app is an essential tool if you're planning on managing your crypto funds on the go. It provides convenient access to all of your account details, trades, and other functionalities right from your smartphone. Now, to scan the QR code, you'll need to switch gears to your mobile device. Obtain your phone and open your camera app. Most modern smartphones have a built-in QR code scanner within the camera application, so you don't need another app. All you need to do is point your camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. When the camera recognizes the QR code, a notification will typically pop up. Tap on this notification. It will automatically take you to the App Store on your device or begin the download process for the Crypto.com app. And there you have it. You've successfully scanned a QR code using Crypto.com. This simple process opens the door to easy access to the tools you require to dive into the world of crypto trading and investing anytime and anywhere. Make sure you explore all the features the app offers once installed. We hope this guide makes accessing the Crypto.com app and its functionalities a breeze for you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips about navigating the exciting world of cryptocurrency.